Good afternoon. So I'm here with my wife Mari, who's got a Glock 22, which is a non-blowback BB shooter, and we've got 12 Daisy BBs. Yeah. So if you look behind us, and you slide to one side, you'll see the target in the distance. It's 15 yards out. So you're going to take 6 shots at the body?
Yeah, 6 at the body and 6 at the head.
6 at the head. Okay. Freestanding.
Yep.
Right. Okay. So shall I zoom in on the target?
Yep.
Okay. I'll zoom in. Whenever you're ready then, dear. And get used to this pistol. I think you should be able to get at least 6 easily in the body, in the centre. You know where the aim points are, don't you? You know the grip, and you know the trigger now. And I said if your shoulders start to ache, just lower your arms down, have a rest. Don't push yourself to be painful. We haven't got no time limit on this, have we, at the moment?
No.
That's that. 6 at the body? Yep. So up to the head. So what did we say? Run about the neck?
Yeah.
The way these BBs are flying?
Yeah.
Keep it nice and central. Use your roll round hand, wrap round hand to keep your pistol still while you finish the shot. That's alright. That's what the steel backstop's for. We've got left 2 more. You see where they're going? Right, that should be out, shouldn't it? I'll check the mag. Are we out?
Yeah.
Right, shall we go and have a look?
Yeah.
See how you did. So that will show on the video. You should see those BBs hitting the target on the video.
Yeah.
So that's very good, dear. So you've got all the shots on the target, all 12, and yeah, very good. So you can come over here and so there you go. So that That's my wife shooting at 15 yards, freestanding. All 12 shots on the target. Quite a decent group, about a 2-inch group on the main body, 5 shots within the 2-inch. Yeah, all nice and central. And your ones at the headshots were like slightly low, weren't they? But they're still a decent 4 or 5 shot group, weren't they?
Yeah.
So you're getting used to that trigger pull now. You're pulling through it and not actually twisting your wrist when you pull the shot. So you're not pulling the actual pistol to the left, are you?
No.
So what do you reckon then?
Yeah.
Is it any good?
It's a good pistol. It's a nice light trigger.
Yeah. It's nice pulling it. Yeah, much lighter than the UPS trigger, which is quite hefty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Say try then.
Bye.
See ya. Thanks for watching.